Hey, welcome back. It is Sunday, it's March 2nd, I believe. I would take you along on a little home climb here. Do a little pole set on this tree that I picked out in my front yard. It'll show you setting a climbing rope with a pole. And I'm going to be using a Super Maverick today. And that is 1, 2, 3 times around. I'll be doing it with the front flip and Houdini rigged. You can see my... Okay, I get a lot of... I prefer a lot of loop. There's the front flip. I'm going to grab a carabiner, a large one that I already have stealth strips on. Okay, so that's going to be for my pole. For the release line, I was using a clip on here. I was using a clip, but I think that's too noisy in a bow hunting position, in a bow hunting situation. So I think it's quieter to tie my release on. I do not lock my Maverick. Because I want to be able to pull it down. Alright. So carbon fiber goes in there. Give myself a little bit of slack here, and I'm going to hold the load line as I go. And I'm going to keep the pole pretty much on the ground. So there we're up one section. There I'm up 2 sections. I'm holding on to the load line, and if I ever need to take some slack out, I can just pull the load line. There's 3 sections up. There's 4 sections up. I think it's relatively quiet. There's the last section up, and the pole is still on the ground. Okay. Now with all the sections up, I can max it out by lifting the pole. And as you can see, that is plenty high to bow hunt. So with the load line in my hand, I can pull on that and bring the knot closer to the tree. I'll bring it over a little bit. I hope you can see that. As I pull it, now I pretty much set the Maverick hitch. I do have a a strand up there in case I want to hang the pole, but all of last hunting season I did not hang my pole. I preferred to bring it down and leave it somewhere else. Alright, I got a release line and I've got a locked Maverick. Test it. I'm a mechanical guy. I hope you're seeing this. I don't know which way my camera's pointing. I'll try to tilt my head down. I have a short bridge that I use for climbing, and then when I'm hunting I switch over to a longer bridge. There, I'm on the short bridge. I bring in my CT crick. Loop this up and over, and then I'll make sure and sit down on that hitch. Make sure I got it. And then my foot loop is over here. I don't know what you're seeing. I hope it's all good. If not, we'll just erase it and start over sometime. Okay. Foot loop on. We're off the ground. I got this other tree here. It's going to be fun. You can see that, I hope. Excuse me. This tree would be a good one to hang your bow on. Wants to pull me towards the bottom of the hitch naturally. Okay, hang your platform, hunt, put on the ring of steps. Plenty of high. I don't know how high I am. Plenty high to bow hunt, I'll tell you that. Okay. Foot loop comes off. CT crick comes off. Gets stored. There's my release line, never locked it. I got a nice loop in the Maverick. Houdini carabiner. Nice and easy rappel. Bumping into this tree the whole way down. Okay. You go back here. Release line. Okay, hopefully I'm going to bend way back so you can see that. and the whole thing comes tumbling down. Piece of cake, right? All I gotta do is clean it up and we'll do it again. Hey, stick with me.